Hello, good afternoon, my super gorgeous ladies. How are you doing, all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful, lovely Banarasi Bandhani Georgettes. Let's move on to the live. Follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే కదా, ఈ జార్జెట్ is very lightweight and very comfortable fabric. It molds very easily. It stays like that. Just a very comfortable sarees. చాలా గుడ్ ఉంటాయి sarees. ఒకవేళ కొత్తగా సారీ వేర్ చేసే వాళ్ళకైతే ఇంకా ఇది బెస్ట్ అండి, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజీలీ మేనేజబుల్ అనమాట. స్కిన్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ ఉంటుంది, లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటుంది, నాట్ హెవీ వెయిట్స్ అలా ఉండవు, చాలా మేనేజబుల్గా ఉంటుంది. సో యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ గో ఫర్ దాట్. న్యూగా ఎవరైనా శారీ కట్టుకునే వాళ్ళు, హాయిగా ఉండాలి, లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉండాలి అనుకునే వాళ్ళు, యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్. లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద లైవ్. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ మై సారీ. The one which I am wearing now, beautiful. It's like a green color, green and maroonish shaded color, shaded 2D color. Very light green, sage green. All over floral vines, the cross checks with bandhani buttas. Contrast border with leaves and vines. Lovely pallu with bandhani buttas and floral buttas, zari floral buttas, along with the floral vines borders. Blouse contrast maroon color, reddish maroon color with bandhani buttas as well as border. To buy this saree, take a screenshot along with the code BX604. Send us on 733 733 7000. Done. Next beautiful saree. Wow. Bandhani. So soft chanderi. Beautiful rust shade, rustish brown. All over bandhani buttas, here tie and dye border. Pallu, complete contrast pallu, beige and madhubani prints. Blouse, madhubani printed blouse. Contrast. బాగుంది కదా, యూనిక్గా, డిఫరెంట్గా, చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉందండి, చాలా సాఫ్ట్గా ఉంది ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, షైన్ కూడా ఉంది. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 7,875. BX544 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. Yes, pink and magenta pink. మొత్తం cross checks with florals, floral buttas and bandhani buttas. Downside contrast border with floral buttas, floral vines. Pallu contrast with cross checks, bandhani buttas and floral zari floral buttas. Contrast pallu. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Very lovely. Saree pricing and details 9,158. BV650 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. So if you want any particular color combinations adana kavalante, you can mention in the comment box. Green and red, gorgeous Banarasi Bandhani Georgette. All over floral buttas, Bandhani buttas. Downside red color, floral vines border, Bandhani buttas and zari buttas. Floral vines border, contrast. Pallu contrast with Bandhani buttas and floral motifs along with the floral vines border. Blouse, contrast with border and buttas, Bandhani buttas. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the pricing and details. 9,128. BV661 is the code. Yes. Next sari. Very pretty beige and green. Bandhani Georgette. Very pretty florals, Meenakari florals and zari leaves. Bandhani buttas. Border, green color with beautiful diamond brocade, curvy diamond brocade. Pallu, contrast with Bandhani buttas, floral buttas and small florals highlighted with Meenakari and diamond brocade borders. Beige with the green combination. Very lovely. And the blouse, contrast. Yes, this is the blouse. Yeah, this one. Bandhani buttas and border. To buy this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the pricing and details. 24,300. BX576 is the code. Yes. Next sari. Lovely blue color. Teal blue. Bandhani. It is soft chanderi. And this is the tie and dye weave. The multi colors to vachindandi border, half diamonds. Pallu. Sure andi Reshma garu, I'll show. Just stay tuned in our live. And this is the pallu with Madhubani, very pretty Madhubani print. Lovely ladies. Yeah. And this is the blouse. Contrast with Madhubani print. The code. Aliji, you can contact on 733 733 7000. They'll be showing the Paithani Banarasi Kadi borders. You can ask them as it's a Banarasi Georgette episode. So you make it, we are providing video calling facility also. If you want Paithani Banarasi Kadi saris, just ping us on 733 733 7000. At that time, they'll be calling you, customer executive. They'll be showing you for whatever you want. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. Very lovely Banarasi Bandhani Georgette. Typical geometric weave, florals and leaves, highlighted with Meena, Bandhani buttas, border, geometric border, diamonds and florals. Pallu, complete geometric pallu with blocks and diamonds, highlighted with Meena. Blouse, self with Bandhani buttas as well as border. You can go for any other contrast color, like pink, green color. You can go for bottle green color blouse. For customized blouses, contact our brand, Offer Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. And this saree pricing and details, it's 17,543 BV608 is the code. Yes. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Shravya Kishore garu, I'll show Andy. I'll try. Bandhani with Kanchi border annaru kada. I'll try to show you, or else you can make a video call and cheppinattu. Just particular collection kavalante kanaka, if Bandhani lo color combinations adagada, I can show you now. But particular sarees with Kanchi borders annappudu, just make a just me convenient message cheyandi. 733 733 7000 number ki our customer executive will get back to you. So you can ask them whatever you want and they'll be showing you. Meeku kanchi kavali ante they'll be showing you, and from that you can select your favorite saree and we ship worldwide. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Reshma garu, just stay tuned in number live. I'll be showing peaches and pinks. Just stay tuned. Next saree, lovely brownish color, dark brown wine shades ala vachai. Very pretty. Bandhani, Chanderi, Paramita garu, Paramita ji, I'll be showing you. Just stay tuned in our live. Green colors, and this is the pallu, Madhubani printed pallu. Border anta kuda Bandhani tie and dye. Blouse, Madhubani print, beige color, very lovely contrast. Beautiful గా ఉంటుందండి. టీమ్ అప్ చేస్తే అదిరిపోతుంది. ఇవన్నీ కూడా రోలింగ్ చేయించాలి. 7,875 is the price. BX 543 is the code. Next saree, wow, what a lovely saree. Yellow and peach. Here it is peach color. Reshma ji, yellow with peach. Beautiful florals, the cross checks and Bandhani buttas in it. It's a soft, very soft Chanderi matka fabric. And this is the border, contrast with floral vines. Pallu, contrast with floral buttas and floral vines borders, as well as Bandhani buttas. Blouse, contrast with Bandhani buttas and border. Very pretty dark peach color. Sari pricing and details. It's 10,110. Take a screenshot along with the code BX567. Send us on 733 733 7,000. Yes. Next saree. Wow. Very nice color combination. Quite different. It's a tussar bandhani georgette. Yes. The fabric is tussar. Beautiful bandhani, which is in very lovely navy blue color. All over bandhani buttas, and border is gorgeous antique zari polka buttas with cross checks and vines, zigzag borders and temples here. Very pretty, and this is the pallu, complete zigzag brocade pallu, and the blouse, self blouse, tussar fabric kandi. Trust. Next saree, very nice color, gorgeous na, sage green with pink combination, beautiful geometric diamonds and florals, bandhani buttas along with the contrast border with diamonds and florals, pallu contrast with florals and diamonds bandhani buttas, blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Sari pricing and details, it's georgette fabric. 12,375 is the price. BX578 is the code. Yeah. For more queries, just ping us on 733 733 7000. A beautiful wine shade. Banarasi. Bandhani georgette, pallu, bandhani buttas and floral buttas, blouse self with bandhani buttas and border. To buy this saree, take a screenshot like this and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. Nice saree, bandhani with paithani, beautiful bandhani paithani, very pretty bandhani buttas and munia buttas, border contrast reddish pink, reddish peach aisa undi, reddish pink color only. Yes, with munia buttas and triangles. Pallu rich bandhani kaddi pallu with florals, munias and beautiful florals, peacocks, stems, rich kaddi pallu. Blouse self with bandhani buttas like this. ఇది రోలింగ్ చేయాలండి, చేస్తే తెలుస్తుంది. దీన్ని ఇదంతా క్రష్డ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, బాందిని టై అండ్ డై ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 34,403 ఎక్స్క్లూసివ్ బాందిని పైథిని. BX575 is the code. Yes. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ చూసేద్దాం. Wow. Beige and mustard yellow, very classy color combination. Bandhani georgette, lovely. Cross checks with florals and leaves. Bandhani buttas. Border contrast with floral vines and cross cutty stripes. Pallu contrast with cross checks and bandhani buttas. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Very lovely. Sari pricing and details 9158. BX 560 is the code. Yes. Log on to our website, that is www.pranmandir.com, for everyday exciting deals. Next sari. Light and dark greens. Cross checks with florals and vines. Bandhani buttas. Border contrast with floral vines. Pallu contrast with bandhani buttas along with the cross checks, floral buttas. Blouse contrast with border and bandhani buttas. Price 9158. BX 559 is the code. Yeah. Yes, let's move on to see one more beautiful sari. Yes. Alop ఒకసారి mannequin sari చూసేద్దాం.
Brand Mandir is a one-stop solution for all your special occasions. Indian handlooms, Jamnani from Bengal, gorgeous organza, and regal Paithani sarees. To shop all your favorites, click on the follow button and follow all the live shows.
Nitya Shahji, yes, one Paithani అయిపోయింది just now I showed. I'll cross check just, or else you can make a video call on 733-733-7000 and ask them to show the Paithani Pallu sarees. Thank you so much. Beautiful pink color. Tassa bandhani. Amrita garu, blue sari. Just this video will be saved in the after live. You can take a screenshot along with the pricing and details. Once live finishes, the video will be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So as we have lots of sarees I need to show. So once the live is done and the video will be again starts from starting onwards, you can cross check what saree you want. Thank you so much. A beautiful pink color Tassa bandhani. This is the tie and dye bandhani border. Pallu Madhubani printed pallu contrast beige color. Blouse contrast beige Madhubani printed blouse. Sari pricing and details 7875. BX 540 is the code. Yes. Next, pure bandhani Georgette. Very pretty material with kaddi bandhani buttas and bandhani kaddi zari buttas and bandhani buttas with florals. Beautiful floral and leaf border. Pallu floral buttas, zari buttas, medium size and bigger size, as well as bandhani buttas along with the borders. Blouse, self complete bandhani blouse with border. Ila. Sari pricing and details 25,267. BX 542 is the code. Yes, next sari. Wow, nice pattu. Very lovely maroonish color. Bandhani, Kanchi bandhani. Yes, here it is, the right color. ఇది రైట్ అండి. ఎస్, bandini buttas and jhumka buttas, zari checks. It's a borderless sari. This is the pallu, beautiful cross, the peacock blue color lo cross stripes and florals. Blouse stripes contrast with border. Very beautiful. Sari pricing and details. It's 14,355. BX551 is the code. Yes. ఇది కంచి బాందిని, కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సీ గ్రీన్ విత్ డార్క్ గ్రీన్ కాంబినేషన్. సీ బ్లూ గ్రీన్ అలా షేడ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, కొంచెం గ్రేయిష్ అలా. బాందిని బుట్టాస్ అండ్ జరీతో ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ అండ్ చెక్స్. బార్డర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్. పల్లు కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ క్రాస్ చెక్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్ బుట్టాస్, బాందిని బుట్టాస్. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. 9,128. BX558 is the code. Yes, next sari. Very pretty pink and red combination. Patola style, all over diamonds, peacocks, elephants in it, bandhani buttas, border contrast with elephant, peacock, elephant and birds in the border, in the blocks, very nice kaddi. Pallu contrast with big buttas, mandalas with elephants, meenakari weave completely. Idantha peacocks, elephants, very pretty border, elephant and sparrow birds. Border, bandhani buttas and blouse, contrast red color with bandhani buttas and border. Ila. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the pricing and details. 21,120. BX568 is the code. Yes. Next sari, lovely light orange and light pink color shades. Vijaya garu, pink and red khadi Banarasi I'll be showing you. Pink and the pink color, just check it with pink and light peach color. Okay, and Sai Kalyani garu, I'll try blue and white anar kada. I'll try to show you. Beautiful cross checks, bandhani buttas all over the body. Border pastels and floral vines. Pallu contrast with bandhani buttas and zari buttas along with the border. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Yes. Pricing and details. It's 9,158. BX564 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Brand Mandir is a one-stop solution for all your special occasions. Indian handlooms, Jamnani from Bengal, gorgeous organza, and regal Paithani sarees. To shop all your favorites, click on the follow button and follow all the live shows.
Yes, now back to our collections. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandi.com, for everyday exciting deals. Let's see another sari. Navy blue, chanderi, bandhani, pure chanderi, and very soft. All over bandhani buttas, border, half tie and die bandhani border. Pallu Madhubani printed pallu contrast. Blouse Madhubani printed blouse contrast. Sari pricing and details. 7,875. BX541 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Let's sari. Nice reddish maroon color. Beautiful bandhani buttas. It's a chanderi fabric again. And this is the tie and dye border. Pallu Madhubani printed contrast pallu. Blouse Madhubani printed contrast blouse. Beautiful. Sari pricing and details. 7,875. BX547 is the code. Do visit our stores to feel the fabric. To see lots of varieties, come down to our stores. It's in road number 56, Jubilees, near Pedamma Temple. Road number 10, Banjara Hills, and Patni Center, Secunderabad, Rashtrapati Road. Wow, very lovely. Grey and purple, very, very pretty. All over cross checks with florals and beautiful bandhani buttas in it. Border contrast with diamond brocade and floral vines. Pallu contrast with bandhani buttas as well as zari kadi buttas along with the borders. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Sari pricing and details, it's 9,158. BX569 is the code. Yes, next sari. So colorful. Very pretty, colorful. Orange and red combinations, light orange, peach color like that. Meenakari floral buttas, bandhani buttas, zari florals and vines. Border, floral vines. Pallu, anta kuda leaf buttas. Bandhani buttas along with the borders. Blouse contrast with border and bandhani buttas. Sari pricing and details. 12,375. BX573 is the code. Yes. Next sari. Grey and navy blue. Cross checks, bandhani buttas. Border, floral vines contrast border. Pallu contrast with bandhani buttas and zari buttas. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the pricing and details. 9,158. BX566 and to WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Very pretty Georgette brown color, beautiful Khadi Banarasi Georgette. Lovely dolls, dancing dolls here. Florals, deers, Meenakari zari, Meena thread, very pretty, as well as zari florals and vines. Beautiful bandhani buttas, border, complete a floral brocade border. Very thick, very lovely color combination. Fabric is too good. And this is the floral brocade pallu, very rich and bit heavy sari and idi chala beautiful ga undi. Light brown blouse with buttas, bandhani buttas and zari border. Very lovely, too good. Price vachesi exclusive bandhani 42,105 is the price. BX550 is the code. Yes. Next sari. Wow. Dark brown chanderi, pure chanderi, soft all over diamonds, bandhani diamonds, and beautiful border, tie and dye bandhani half diamond border. And this is the Madhubani printed pallu, contrast blouse, Madhubani printed blouse. Sari pricing and details, contrast blouse 7,875, BX 549 is the code. Very lovely. Next sari. Wow. Super gorgeous sari which is in peach and orange ila mixed undandi, pink peach ala bandhani buttas tho ila horses elephants వచ్చాయి, as well as zari floral lines తో checks. Very gorgeous sari. Paithani style border వచ్చింది, kaddi with floral lines meenakari. Pallu anta kuda rich kaddi buttas and with meenakari florals in it. Bandhani buttas as well. Blouse self with buttas, bandhani buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 35,790 exclusive bandhani, BX 555 is the code. Reshma garu Lehriya sarees. Lehriya sarees నేను చూపించలేదు కదా మీకు. Yes, Lehriya sarees I have to look after that only. Beautiful sage green with beautiful navy blue color combination. All over dotted buttas, the cross checks and bandhani buttas in it. Blocks with florals and bandhani buttas, cross checks and bandhani buttas, floral vines and floral buttas here. Contrast border. Pallu, cross checks with bandhani buttas along with the floral vines borders. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas as well as border. Sari pricing and details. It's 9,158. BX 565 is the code. Very pretty. Next sari. Yes. Yeah, it's a mehendi green with a maroon color combination. Cross checks with paisleys and floral bandhani buttas. Beautiful floral vines border with diamond brocade. Pallu contrast with floral buttas and bandhani buttas. Blouse contrast with buttas and border. To buy this sari, take a screenshot along with the pricing and details. 9,158. PX 553 is the code. Yeah. Next sari. Very lovely dark green and light green shades. Cross checks with beautiful floral buttas, geometric style, along with the bandhani buttas. Border contrast with diamonds and florals, geometric style. Pallu contrast with floral buttas, bandhani buttas, zari floral buttas. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and zari border here, like this. Pricing and details. 9,158. BX 552 is the code. Yeah. Next sari. It's a tussar bandhani, all over bandhani buttas. Beautiful half tie and dye border, bandhani border. Pallu contrast Madhubani printed pallu. Blouse contrast Madhubani printed blouse. Sari pricing and details. 7,875. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Yes, it's a sea green with a dark parrot green combination. All over jal weave with bandhani buttas, meenakari jal weave. Border, floral vines border, zigzag border. Pallu, floral buttas, contrast pallu with zigzag and floral vines borders. Blouse, contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. 21,060 BX 562 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Purple color, purple and green color, mainly green. Zari checks, kanchi bandhani andi. Zari checks bandhani buttas, floral buttas. It's a borderless saree. Pallu anta kuda diamond brocade contrast pallu. Blouse zari lines with border. Contrast. Saree pricing and details. It's 14,355. BX 571 is the code. Yeah. Next saree. Beautiful bandhani georgette with rama green and dark bottle green. Leaves to anta kuda cross checks vachayandi with very pretty bandhani buttas and meenakari multi-color florals. Border floral vines and highlighted with meena. Contrast, pallu contrast with huge buttas, bandhani buttas and cross checks. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Pricing and details. 14,738. BX 561 is the code. Next saree. Lovely black. Chanderi, pure chanderi. Bandhani buttas. Border. Tie and dye bandhani border. Pallu kalamkari. Pallu brown color. Blouse. Kalankari hand painted blouse. Very pretty and beautiful. Price vachesi 7,875. BX 545 is the code. Yeah. Next saree. Grey and pink. Cross checks with florals and bandhani buttas. Border contrast. Florals. And this is the pallu. Contrast with bandhani buttas and floral motifs. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas as well as border. Zari border. Pricing and details, it's 9,158. BX 572 is the code. Next, a beautiful saree. Black and red georgette, Banarasi bandhani georgette with floral buttas, cross checks, bandhani buttas, zari floral buttas, border contrast with floral vines, cross checks and florals in it, pallu contrast with oval shaped floral buttas and bandhani buttas, blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Saree pricing 11,228. BX 563 is the code. Yes. Next saree, bottle green. Beautiful bandhani buttas as well as multicolor florals. Border contrast with floral vines highlighted with meena. Pallu contrast self with bandhani buttas and border, floral vines border. Blouse kuda self, everything is in self, single color. Bandhani buttas with border. You can go for contrast color like orange, purple. It suits for the saree, and for customized blouses contact our brand Offer Rupamani and the brand from our brand mother. This saree pricing and details, it's 12,375. BX 554 is the code. Yes. Next saree. lovely grey and wine color saree with the diamonds and bandhani buttas. Beautiful border with diamonds. The blocks and the geometric blocks highlighted with meena. Pallu anta kuda geometric blocks buttas, bandhani buttas. Blouse contrast dark wine color with bandhani buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. 11,933 BX 557 is the code. Very lovely. Next sari, the teal green chanderi, pure chanderi bandhani, all over diamond buttas, border tie and dye border. Okay. Pallu, kalamkari printed pallu. Blouse, kalamkari printed blouse, which is in grey color, charcoal grey. Price and details, it's 7,875 BX 539 is the code. Yes. Next sari, wow, very lovely. Green and grey combination, fluorescent green. Floral vines and leaves to cross checks, paslays to bandhani buttas in it. Beautiful floral vines border along with the diamonds. Pallu contrast with buttas, zari buttas and bandhani buttas along with the borders. Blouse contrast grey color with buttas, bandhani buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. 9,158. It's 9,158. BX 556 is the code. Yes. Next sari, peach color. Sorry, any technical issue. Beautiful bandhani buttas, floral buttas. Akkadakada florals are highlighted with meena, like this. Border, floral vines border, and diyas here, diya and leaves here. And this is the pallu, floral buttas, leaf buttas, along with the cross checks and diamond border. Blouse, self with bandhani buttas and border. Beautiful blouse. 10,845 is the price, BJ 300 is the code. Next sari, green color, pure chanderi bandhani with madhubani printed pallu and blouse, all over bandhani buttas and border, tie and dye border bandhani. Pallu madhubani printed contrast pallu. Blouse contrast madhubani printed blouse with border. Very pretty. Pricing and details of the sari, 7,875 BX 548 is the code. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yes. Next sari and the last sari. Very beautiful. It's a kind of rust pink color shade with beautiful navy blue combination. It's like కొంచెం dark onion pink shade with beautiful diamonds. కొంచెం patola style లో వచ్చిందండి, geometric style లో బుటాస్ అవి అన్ని బార్డర్ కూడా ప్యాటర్న్ అలాగే ఉంది, జామెట్రిక్ స్టైల్ లీవ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్ with as well as bandini buttas, lovely pallu with zari buttas as well as bandini buttas, contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast navy blue with border and buttas, bandini buttas. Sari pricing and details. It's 9,158. BX574 is the code. Yes. Let's move to the mannequin sari and its prices. Lovely green and red combination, all over floral buttas as well as bandini buttas. Border contrast with floral vines, diamonds and ikkada stripes laga vachayandi, bandini buttas vachayi, koncham wavy stripes. Pallu contrast and the blouse is also contrast red color with border. Sari pricing and details. It's BV650 is the code, 9,158 is the price. Here ends with the saris. ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను చూపించిన saris అన్ని కూడా let's have a quick look. Very beautiful saris. Let's have a quick glance. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Hope you all liked our today's beautiful bandini georgettes. Very pretty sarees. These are very lightweight and easy to handle and easy manageable. So for such kind of blouses, contact 733-733-7000. ఇందులో ఇంకా చాలా వెరైటీస్ వస్తాయండి. కంచిలో వస్తాయి, పైథనీలో వస్తాయి, డిజిటల్లో వస్తాయి. సో మీకు ఏ సారీ కావాలన్నా కూడా వీడియో కాలింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా అవైలబుల్లో ఉంది. సో పర్టికులర్ కలెక్షన్ మీకు కావాలనుకుంటే కనుక just ping us your convenient timings on 733-733-7000. Our customer executive will get back to you and they'll be showing whatever you want, and we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. So ee sarees lo meeku nachina saree ni matram ventane screenshot tesi maaku ping cheyandi before it sold out. And do visit our stores. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, road number 10 Banjara Hills and Patni Center, Secunderabad. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandi.com for everyday exciting deals. See you in another live. Until then, bye bye. Have a happy shopping at Mandar. Bye bye. Take care.
Brand Mandir is a one-stop solution for all your special occasions. Indian handlooms, Jamnani from Bengal, gorgeous organza, and regal Pythoni sarees. To shop all your favorites, click on the follow button and follow all the live shows.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.